All right. Well, good morning. I hope everyone is having a good weekend. So, parents and players, this is a short, quick tutorial on how to access the Hudl film. Your student athlete and players, you should have a Hudl account by now. If you don't, you'll need to contact me to let me know if you don't have one. So when you go to Hudl, it'll bring you to this page. I'm going to log into my son's account, former player for us, and that way you can see what it looks like from a player's perspective. You just put in all your credentials there, hit login, access the film. Once it pulls up, you'll come here to video and click on video. Now, the um, film from Friday and Saturday are both under the 2022-2023 season. There's a plus button here next to the left of it. You're going to hit that and it's going to drop down. I'm going to show you our schedule. Is not located underneath any of the games. If you go down here to where it says other items, click the plus button there, and then down where it says MISC, which is the abbreviation for miscellaneous, click there, and you will find all of our practice film, including the Friday evening Parkway North practice, yesterday's Central Camp, and then there is some film from earlier this week where we recorded practice. And then you simply just click on the circle next to it, and it pulls up film, and there you have it. So that's the film, and that you can begin watching film from there. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and I'll be more than happy to help you in any way that I can. Take care and have a good day.